In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use Backtap on your iPhone. This new feature was introduced with the latest iOS update, and it allows you to perform a variety of actions on your iPhone. Simply by tapping the back of your iPhone, whether you want to take a screenshot, open an app, or perform several actions, Backtap makes it easy and convenient. So let's get started. The first step is to make sure that your iPhone is already on the latest update. For example, the first step is to make sure that your iPhone is running on iOS 14 or newer version. As Backtap is only available on this version, you can check your iOS version by going to Settings and then tap General. After that, you can tap About. In About, you can see the iOS version. As my phone, my iOS version is 16.4.1. That means we already have this Backtap feature. Next, you need to enable Backtap on your iPhone. To do this, you can go to the setting. After you go to the setting, scroll down and find Accessibility and tap on this. And then you can find Touch, tap on Touch. Then you can scroll down until you find Backtap. Tap on Backtap. Here, you will see two options, double tap and triple tap. You can choose either of these options or both, depending on what action you want to perform. For example, I'm going tap on double tap here. After that, you will see a list of actions you can choose from, such as app switcher, camera, or flashlight, and so on. For example, on double tap, I would like to screenshot. Then when I already tap on screenshot, I'm back tap again. And for the triple tap, I tap triple tap and then, for example, like control center here. I'm back tap again. We already doing a setting here. From the setup, double tap. When I double tap, I will activate the screenshot feature. When I'm doing triple tap, I will access the control center. Let's try it. It's time to test it out. Just simply double tap off your Backtap to activate the screenshot feature. And as you can see, when I'm Backtap twice on my phone, I will activate the screenshot. Now, we try to triple tap on my back to access the control center. When I triple tap on my Backtap, I'm already accessing the control center. It's already function based on what we already set up for the Backtap feature. And that's all for this tutorial on how to use Backtap on your iPhone. This feature is a great way to make your iPhone even more convenient and easy to use. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!